Okay, so the thing that you have to learn or remember about this is that you have to use the conjugate because when it has adding, subtracting, you can't have the square roots, but adding, subtracting links the 3 and the negative radical 2 together, for instance. And so when you do this one, the conjugate would first of all, let's write the conjugate down. Sorry for my sloppy handwriting. The conjugate would be 3 plus radical 2. So that's what we want to multiply both of them by on this problem. Oops. So we do 3 plus radical 2 over 3 plus square root of 2. And when we multiply those, then remember that we have to distribute this 4. So you get 12 plus 4 square root of 2. And then the cheater way on the bottom to do this is remember that the first two are going to multiply, the second two are going to multiply, and the two middle parts will end up canceling one another out. Okay, so basically you just have to remember to multiply the 3 times 3. Positive times negative is going to be negative. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is going to give me square root of 4. When I simplify my square root of 4, I get 2. Putting that together gives me 12 plus 4 radical 2 over 7. 12, 4, and 7 don't divide by anything, so then that's my final answer. Okay. Now, the one thing about conjugates that you have to remember is conjugating doesn't necessarily mean you have to always change the sign of the radical part of it. If you look up there at the conjugate, it shows you just need to change the middle sign. So on this one, my conjugate, again, sorry for the sloppy handwriting, is 3 radical 5 minus 1. So that's what we want to multiply by on the top and the bottom here. So 3 square root of 5 minus 1 over 3 square root of 5 minus 1. Let's distribute that, and when we distribute, we get 33 radical 5 minus 11. Multiply the first and the last, and we get 3 times 3 gives me 9 square root of 25 minus positive 1. Square root of 25 becomes 5, so I have to do 9 times 5. So in my numerator, I have my 33 square root of 5 minus 11. And then I have 45 minus 1, which reduces to 44. Okay? And the last thing would be to simplify. And since all the coefficients can be divisible by 11, I'm going to divide, and my final answer would be 3 square root of 5 minus 1 over 4. All right, I hope that helps. All right, see you later.